I think if you want a product that allows you to walk into a property, to capture the still photography, to provide a 360 tour and create your floor plan with almost no room for error, the Giraffe360 is 100% the product for you. We're using it on a daily basis now. Every property we take on, the Giraffe comes out with us. So yeah, it's absolutely integral, and it's important to everything that we do and for our vendors and buyers. Photographs are coming back same day really at the moment, and the service is really, really quick. We get photos, floor plans and virtual tours the next day. So yeah, we're super happy with that. I think if you want to skip all of the learning and the education around property marketing from a photography perspective, it's a no-brainer. Not only do we have one, we have two of them in our office. So that just goes to show how much we rely on these as an integral part of the businesses that we run, absolutely. It is definitely a question prompter, but also when they saw the pictures come back from what we created with the Giraffe360, they were blown away. It was night and day difference for them.
We'll talk about it on our valuations, how our marketing is that much better than everybody else's because we've got it.
As I see it at the moment, we couldn't be without it. I think I would 100% recommend any estate agent to use Giraffe360. One of the great things as well is aftercare support is superb. So they're always on hand, to provide advice or any sort of tips in terms of doing that afterwards as well. So yeah, really, really good.